Yes.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 12, my lord.
This criminal appeal 10,
Yes, criminal bill 10, my lord.
criminal appeal 10 of 2023.
2023, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, leading counsel, Mr. Deep Angin is out of station.
Who is the leading counsel?
Deep Angin, my lord.
Okay. So when do you want it?
My lord, after 3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel submits that. Mr. Dicky Panging, the leading counsel for the appellant, is out of station and therefore seeks adjournment of the case for 3 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
My lord, I have another mention, my lord. Item number 24 also, my lord.
Yes.
I have taken consent from the other side, my lord.
Same prayer.
Yes, my lord.
Deep Panging. Okay, same prayer. Okay.
And my lord, item number 28 also, my lord.
Yes. Same prayer.
Yes, my lord.
Dicky Panging.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Obliged.
May I, my lordship?
Yes, ma'am.
I beg to mention item number 10 and 16 on behalf of Mr.
One by one, please, ma'am. 10.
Item 10, my lord.
10. Yes, what is your prayer, ma'am?
This matter will be listed after a week. my lord.
You're the counsel for the
Respondent.
respondent number
11 to 15.
11 to 15
Yes.
on the prayer of MS so-and-so. Learned counsel for the respondent number 11 to 15 listed after a week.
And item number 16, my lordship.
Item 16. Yes, please.
Even this one after a week, my lord.
Same prayer?
Yes.
Same prayer. Okay. Okay.
May, my lord. My
Yes.
lord, I beg to mention item number 5, my lord.
Item
5, my lord. My lord, this matter become instructions, my lord. I may be allowed to withdraw, my lord.
you're the counsel for the
Petitioner, my lord.
what is the matter?
Matter, my lord, challenging this rule, my lord, for constitution of APPSC commission, my lord.
Pardon?
Rule, my lord, for constituting, my lord, APPSC commission, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Apang, kindly assist this court.
Lordship, earlier days, there were some disputes in our Arunachal Pradesh Public Service Commission for appointment of members, etc., etc. Because of there was a question of paper leakage, and then APPSC was all dissolved, thereby appointing new
APSC.
APPSC, Arunachal Pradesh Public Service Commission.
Okay.
So it was made defunct, and new members have been appointed. Now new members have been already appointed. They are working on it. They are functioning it. Probably because of that,
But this PIL was filed challenging the appointment of the all members.
it's lordship.
So at the subsequent stage, new members have been appointed.
Yes. One. Basically, the chairman and other two members were there. One did not join. The other,
all one.
yes, lordship.
Uh-huh.
The other one joined. So he's working perfectly. Yes.
Let us see the writ petition. Let us see. Let us see. Item item five. Okay, okay. Let it come as per the list. Let it come as per the list.
My lord, I beg to mention another matter, my lord. My lord, item number 17, my lord.
Yes,
My lord, here, my lord, sole respondent is my lord, Secretary Land Management, my lord. And he has been transferred, my lord. I may be allowed to implead incumbent secretary, my lord. As,
let it come as per the list. Let us see.
okay.
Let us see.
Lordship, I would
Yes.
like to mention item number 4.
Item
Number 4.
four.
Yes.
Yes.
Here I am for respondent number 1, 2, 3, and 4.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay.
Yes, the leading counsel, Mr. L. Perme, is due to some difficulties out of station, some personal difficulty. Matter may be taken up after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Lordship, I am for the appellant, Your Lordship.
Okay. Any objection?
Lordship, no further adjournment. Next week, let the matter. If possible, it can be.
Mr.
taken-
Sensor, learned counsel submits that. Mr. L. L. Perme,
Yes.
the leading counsel for the respondent number 1, 2, 3, and 4 is out of station and therefore seeks adjournment of the case for 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Lordship, here I'm appearing for respondent number 5, Your Lordship. My name may be reflected in the cost list for private respondent number 5,
Your good name,
N. Anju.
MS Sensor, appears for the respondent number 5. The registry is directed to list the name of the learned counsel in the daily course list.
Obliged.
And Lordship, item number 26. Here I am for the appellant. Same.
Yes,
This may be taken up after 2 weeks, Lordship.
you're for the appellant.
Yes.
Your good name,
S. Yerang.
S.
Yerang. On behalf of L. Perme.
On behalf of L. Permi,
Yes.
Mr. Sensor, learned counsel submits that he's out of station.
Yes.
The leading counsel for the appellant, Mr. L. Permi, is out of station and therefore seeks adjournment of the case for 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
You have blessed.
Okay.
Mayor Lordship, I would like to mention item number 3.
Item?
3.
Yes.
The conducting counsel is out of station due to some medical urgency.
Who is the conducting counsel?
Nalopada, Npada.
N. Pada.
Yes.
Mr. Sensor, learned counsel submits that Mr. N. Pada, the leading counsel for the appellant, or the petitioner, is out of station under treatment and therefore seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Your Lordship, this matter may be fixed after 3 weeks.
Okay, after 3 weeks.
Mayor Lordship,
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 30, Lordship.
1, 3.
30, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I have to seek some instruction from my clients, so Lordship.
For the
Respondents, Lordship. All the respondents. Lordship, matter may be fixed on 27th of this month.
what is 27? You are the counsel for the,
Respondents, Your Lordship.
on the prayer of Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the respondent, listed on
27th.
8/20/24. Mr. S. Tapin, is it okay? Okay, 27. No, okay, okay. Okay,
Obliged.
My lords, I beg to mention item number 15. I'm on appearing on behalf of T Jamo,
item
Standing Council of
Item?
IMC. Item number 15, ma'am, sir.
15.
Yes.
Yes,
Here, name of the Mr. T Jamo, Standing Council may be please directed to reflect in the vote list.
the Jammu Standing Council for which department?
IMC, Itanagar,
IMC.
IMC Itanagar.
What?
Itanagar Municipal Corporation.
Itanagar Municipal Corporation.
Yes.
Okay.
3 weeks may be granted to the IMC for filing a counter affidavit.
You're the Standing Council, IMC?
No, I'm on behalf of T Jamo, Junior.
Mr. So-and-so. Learned Council makes a mention on behalf of Mr. T. Jamo. T. Jamo, correct?
Yes.
The Learned Standing Council, IMC, and seeks adjournment of the case for 3 weeks for filing affidavit in opposition. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. The name of Mr. T. Jamo, Learned Standing Council, IMC, shall be reflected in the daily cause list.
Much obliged.
Oh, my lord,
Yes, please.
may I mention item number 6 and 7? Here I am for the petitioner. Conducting counsel, Mr. R. Sonar, he could not make his presence before his honorable court today, as he is out of station. Therefore, the matter may be fixed after 3 weeks.
Item 6 and 7.
Yes.
Mr. So-and-so, Learned Council makes a mention on behalf of Mr.
R. Sonar.
R. Sunar,
Yes.
the leading counsel for the appellant, and seeks adjournment of the case for 3 weeks on the ground that Mr. R. Sunar is out of station. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Much obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship, item 1 and 2 is similar matters, Your Lordship, regarding the function of Anganwadi centers, Lordship. And in this regard, Your Lordship, pleading is completed. I pray Lordship to fix for the final hearing. Lordship.
What is the matter, ma'am?
It's regarding functional Anganwadi centers, Lordship.
Non-functioning
Well,
of
of Anganwadi
Anganwadi centers.
centers.
Oh.
Pleading is completed, Your Lordship. I pray Lordship for.
You're for the
I for
petitioner?
the petitioner, Your
Which
Lordship.
for the respondent? Yes.
And for
yes,
respondent
Captain.
number 2, 4 and 5 also.
Okay, 2, 4 and 5.
5.
So pleadings are completed?
Yes.
Can we list it for hearing?
My lord.
Mr. M. Kato?
My lord.
It is submitted by the Learned Council for the parties that readings are completed. And the matter can be listed for hearing. Listed for hearing in the usual course. Okay?
My
Yes.
In the usual course.
Yes, Lord.
lord.
Obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, rule may be issued.
Pardon?
It has to be admitted. Lordship.
Oh, it is not
Rule,
admitted?
rule may be issued and then better make it for hearings.
Okay, it is submitted by the Learned Council for the parties that readings are completed, and therefore the matter can be listed for hearing. Stop. Issue rule, admit the matter for hearing, listed after 4 weeks.
Close.
Obliged.
Problem.
Item number 5.
Your prayer is basically to give a direction to the respondents to frame executive guidelines for selection and appointment of chairman and other members of the APSC.
Yes, ma'am.
Whether has it been complied?
Yes.
Yes, Mr.
Lordship.
Has it been complied?
Full-fledged functioning, Lordship. So far guidelines are concerned, Lordship, that's executive business, it's
Ah.
not for the APPSC. Since I'm representing APPSC, that part I have no comments, Lordship. That is for the Honorable Governor and the learned Chief Secretary. But there is some skeleton framework, Lordship, for appointment.
Why should this PIL be closed? Why? Give us the reason.
Since, my lord, as per parameters, my lord, members has been appointed, my lord.
As per parameters laid down by whom?
Why, my lord?
Has the government laid down any parameters, guidelines? Whether it is admitted or not. Additional. Where is the additional agent? Mr. N. Ratan?
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, ma'am.
He's having some personal difficulty, Your Lordship. That is why he is absent today, Your Lordship.
Rule has not been issued as of date.
No,
No rule has been issued.
no, Lordship.
Correct.
As per my records, no rule.
No rule has been issued as of. Your submission for withdrawal is new chairman and members are appointed. What is your submission? New chairman and members are appointed? Or
In fact, his leading counsel is not there, Lordship.
Oh.
Yes, actually, my lord, brief is also not with me, my lord.
RC
I have been
Kya-
instructed to withdraw, my lord.
Uh-huh. RC Kya is the leading counsel.
Will your leading counsel be available next week, Monday? He is an outstation lawyer.
No, Lordship. He's from here.
He's here, my lord.
Whether he'll be available on Monday?
Next Monday, 27. Yes, my lord.
Oh, 27, yes, 27.
Yes, my lord.
He'll be available?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we listed next Tuesday.
Lordship.
Monday is holiday.
Lordship.
Okay.
In fact, Lordship, the affidavit filed by the government was not furnished to me. That's why I was blank about that, Lordship.
Okay, shall we make a direction to finish your affidavit?
As a goodwill, I will take from them.
Listed again on 27/8/2024. Okay.
All right.
Very good, Lordship.
Yes.
I could see that affidavit is filed by the respondent one, and I have yet to receive the copy of the affidavit
Affidavit,
of respondent number one.
who is a respondent one?
Yes, Your Lordship, I'm representing.
Government.
We have filed, Your Lordship.
Okay, and who is for the other respondents?
I am appearing for respondent number 3. There is a urgency, also there is a order by Honorable Apex Court to dispose of this matter within a period of 2 weeks or 2 months.
What about two? You are for the state president?
Yes.
You're for the state president?
Yes.
Okay, and ma'am, you are for one deputy commissioner?
Yes, Your Lordship.
And who is two? Whether two is a necessary party?
No, two.
Ma'am, whether
The State Election Commission.
state election commission?
Not necessary.
Not necessary.
Not necessary. So what is your prayer?
1 and 2.
Lordship, I yet to receive the copy of the respondent number one affidavit.
Have you filed your affidavit?
Yes, we have filed, Your Lordship. I'll serve the copy to him today. Otherwise, we have filed, Your Lordship.
Okay. The
No, let this matter may be then fixed on 12. Whole matter may be disposed of on the day.
12 might be difficult, Lordship. Can it be on 16th of September? Because it would be
On
be
that
only
day.
of 3 days, 16th
Yes.
of September.
this is the affidavit filed by the state. Okay.
No, on that day, 2 months will be expired. There is orders from the Apex Court. I have filed an additional affidavit to that effect, page 111.
No, this is additional affidavit. Where is the affidavit filed by the state?
I
This-
filed
This,
respondent number
affidavit
3.
Regarding request of the Honorable Apex Court to dispose of the matter. Moreover, some developments are going on.
Page 111, my lordship. Operative portion is last paragraph in the bottom.
the affidavit, the MS so and so. The Lieutenant Government Advocate for the respondent number one shall furnish a copy of the affidavit filed on behalf of the state to the Learned Counsel for the petitioner in the course of the day, in the course of the day.
Lordship.
Listed again on
Well, let
16
it,
16 would be better, Lordship.
16 is
September.
Monday, your lordship, let it be on 12, this is the hearing day, Thursday.
12th of September.
Yes, your lordship. Thursday, this is the hearing day. On 16,
Listed on 12/9/2024 for admission hearing.
endeavor may be made, my lord, to dispose of the matter because there is an order from the apex court also.
An endeavor shall be made by the parties to dispose the case on the next day fixed. Okay.
Keep your advice.
Your Honor, service upon the respondent number 2 is completed.
Yes, yes.
So, Your Honor may kindly fix the matter for admission hearing.
Yes. Notice
Service
upon respondent number.
to your lordship, service is completed, your lordship, but as on that they have not appeared. So your lordship, in that case, your lordship may appoint a legal aid counsel to represent the victim and fix a date for hearing, your lordship.
Where is the order directing you to take steps? Let us first see that. Twenty-two. Whether notice has been served on respondent number 2.
Your
Yes, Your
lordship, the office note says so.
Office note, a copy of served notice in respect of respondent number 2 received back after duly served from the OC Longding, and the same is placed with the records.
That has to be seen from the record, your lordship, whether it was duly served by the OCPS to the concerned victim or not.
Will you reflect this? Office note, will you reflect? Oh, my God. Heard, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the appellant, and Mr.
TAT, your lordship, additional PP.
TAT,
Yes, your lordship.
TAT, the learned additional PP for the state respondents. Stop. Office note dated 4/6/2024 shows that service notice in respect of respondent number 2 has been received back after duly served from the OCPS Longding. Stop. None appears for the respondent number 2 despite service of notice. Stop. The registry is directed to appoint an amicus curiae from the list of
Your Lordship, from Legal Aid Council, Your Lordship.
Legal aid council, direction to be.
Yes,
legal aid council.
yes, they have a panel of Legal Aid Council.
Okay, the legal aid council, what, Itanagar?
Yes, Guwahati High Court, Your Lordship, the High Court.
Guwahati High Court, Itanagar
Bench, yes, Your Lordship.
shall appoint
Yes, sir.
an amicus curiae to defend the case.
No, Your Lordship, the registry may be directed to appoint the counsel from Legal Aid Service, Lordship.
That is,
Panel from Legal Aid Service. Your Lordship.
the registry is directed to appoint an amicus curiae from the legal aid council of the Guwahati High Court, Itanagar bench to defend the case on behalf of the respondent number 2. Listed for admission hearing.
No, Your Lordship, it's already admitted for hearing now, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, it is now for the supplement, for the hearing, final hearing, Your Lordship. That was already admitted.
Is it admitted?
Admitted, Your Lordship, because without admission, Your Lordship, LCR will not be called for, Your Lordship.
Whether LCR has been received.
Yes, it's reflecting LCR with paper book, Your Lordship, in the
Paper
court
book,
list.
Listed for hearing in the usual course.
Yes, Your Lordship. Oblige, Your Lordship. Oblige. Your Lordship, service is awaited.
Awaiting service report on the respondent number 2, listed after 2 weeks.
Yes, deeply obliged, Your Lordship. Here, Your Lordship, here in the case, both the case is arising out of same FIR, Your Lordship, both the convicted person. They have preferred a jail appeal. However, Your Lordship, in this present case, the victim family has not been issued, no notice has been issued to the victim family, Your Lordship. Here, the PW1 is the deceased wife, Your Lordship. Deceased wife. So, without even implement, Your Lordship, the notice may be issued to the victim family member, Your Lordship.
So you mean to submit that victim family has to be implemented?
Implement, Your Lordship. Implement is up to your, leave it to Your Lordship. Otherwise, also, Your Lordship, without implement, also the notice can be go, because the coordinate bench of the single bench of this Honorable High Court has
Who is the other party who should be served notice?
Your Lordship, it's from the legal, it's a jail appeal, Your Lordship. So it should be through registry, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Whether in 302 cases.
Yes, yes.
Needs to be.
Yes, Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the POXO method in the Deepak Nayak case is very clear. But so far as the general law is concerned, Your Lordship, the Jagdish Singh matter cover all the general cases also, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship, this is the judgment of the Jagdish Singh case matter for reference. And relying upon that, Your Lordship, the single bench has also passed an order. I will rely on that as well, Your Lordship.
Serving notice upon the respondent?
Yes, Your Lordship. The victim family, Your Lordship. Here, the victim right has been, Your Lordship, declared by the Honorable Supreme Court. In para, Your Lordship, you'll find in para 22 onward, Your Lordship. I will rely only para 22, 23 and 24, Your Lordship. May I read, Your Lordship? It cannot be gainsaid that the right of the victim under the amendments CRPC are substantive, enforceable, and are another facet of human rights. The victim rights, therefore, cannot be termed or construed restrictively like a brutum fulmen. We reiterate that these rights are totally independent, incomparable, and are not accessory or auxiliary to those of the state under the CRPC. The presence of state in the proceeding, therefore, does not tantamount to according to the hearing to a victim of the crime. A victim within the meaning of CRPC cannot be asked to await the commencement of trial for ascertaining his or her right to participate in the proceeding. He or she has a legally vested right to be heard at every step post the occurrence of an offense. Such a victim has unbridled participatory right from the stage of investigation till the culmination of proceeding in an appeal or revision. We may hasten to clarify that victim and complainant informant are two distinct conditions in criminal jurisprudence, it is not always necessary that the complainant informant is also a victim. For even a stranger to an act of a crime can be an informant, and similarly, a victim need not be competent complainant or informant of a felony. The above insinuations are not to be conflict with certain statutory provisions, such as those present in the special act like Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Prevention of Atrocities Act, so and so, where there is a legal obligation to hear the victim at the time of for granting bail. Instead, that what must be taken note of this is that 24.1. Firstly, the Indian jurisprudence is constantly evolving, whereby the right of the victim to be heard, especially in case involving heinous crime, is increasing being acknowledged. 24.2. Such where the victim themselves has come forward to participate in a criminal proceeding, they must be accorded with an opportunity of a fair and effective hearing. If the right to file an appeal against acquittal is not accompanied with the right to be heard at the time of deciding a bail application, the same may result in grave miscarriage of justice. Victims certainly cannot be expected to be sitting on the fence and watching the proceeding from afar, especially when they have a legitimate grievance. It is this solemn duty of the court to deliver justice before the memory of an injustice eclipse, Your Lordship. Here, Your Lordship, the victim right has been recognized, and specifically it says in the offenses involved heinous offenses, victim must be given an opportunity. Your
Who is
Lordship.
the victim in this case?
It's the wife, Your Lordship. PW1.
Where's the address?
Address
To a certain?
Your Lordship. Lordship, it's there in page number 63, Your Lordship. I know the accused person who is here. My name is so and so. My husband name he's deceased. 63, Your Lordship. Paper book, Your Lordship.
63.
Your Lordship, from here we can find out that she is the victim, and address will be there in the Your Lordship LCR, Your Lordship. The detailed address. And
Take. Yes, which page?
page 63, Your Lordship.
No, this is the form of recording the position. Correct?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where's the address?
Address is written as Lepareda, Your Lordship, in itself, the position itself. And the detailed address, if we can call out from the Your Lordship LCR. LCR is there in the record, Your Lordship. Here it says, Your Lordship, address is there, Your Lordship. My home is at Rilu, Basar, Lapareda. This is the Lapareda is a district.
This will be the complete address. of
Yes,
the-
Your Lordship. The district is Lapareda, Rilu is the village, and Basar is the Your Lordship police station, Your Lordship. POPS Basar. Lapareda is the district, and Arunachal Pradesh. Your Lordship.
Notice to this person. To the officer in charge of. In the office of the. Oh. Third, Mr. Swenson. Learned counsel for the appellant. Mr. K. Ete.
T at your lordship.
T.
For the respondent, your lordship, state
K.
respondent,
Ete, the learned
For-
public prosecutor.
additional public prosecutor.
Learned additional public prosecutor for the state respondents and MS.
In criminal jail appeal number 10, item number 13 for Ramesh Yadav, I'm the amicus.
You are the
Amicus. For item number 13. There are two,
Two convicted person,
yes.
respective appeal from different person.
MS Swenson. The
J-
learned amicus curiae for the
J-
respondent number.
Jail appeal number 10, Ramesh Yadav. The appellant. Ramesh Yadav. Appellant Ramesh Yadav.
Learned amicus curiae for the appellant Ramesh Yadav in criminal appeal J 10/2023.
Also, I'm for item 14. Criminal
Your
appeal.
amicus curiae
Yes.
Yes, for the other one, the two accused, two convicted person. your lordship.
and also MS Swenson, learned amicus curiae for the appellant Subhash alias
Haradan
Haradan Mandal.
Mandal.
In criminal appeal J 11/2023.
People to media.
In the course of hearing of the case, it is found necessary that notice should be issued to the victim in the case. Same victim.
Victim include victim family.
Same victim.
The same victim, your lordship, the deceased wife.
Should be issued to the victim and her family. Accordingly, the registry is directed to issue notice to Srimati, correct? It should be Srimati,
Yes.
Yes, your lordship.
Srimati and Nayori,
Yes.
wife of late Bomgi Nayori, correct?
Your lordship, it's IBOM, IBOM. Your lordship will see after the,
Husband's name,
no, your lordship, the wife name, your lordship. It's
wife name is
because some typographical error is there. Otherwise, your lordship will find in PW1 deposition, the deposition of Srimati Ibom Nyori,
which page?
page number 63, your lordship.
63, huh?
Yes, and in FIR itself, your lordship, the name is reflected. The FIR has been given by the wife as well.
Which page?
Your lordship will find FIR in page number 1. That will be better to
Paper
find.
book.
Paper book, yes, your lordship. Page number 1.
Yes, okay, KV, what was that? Srimati Ibom, IBOM, Nayori, NYORI, wife of late Bomgi Nayori,
Village Rilu.
residents,
Yes.
residents of Rilu village.
Yes, your lordship.
Rilu village,
POPS Basar,
POPS Basar, district
Lapareda.
Leparada.
Yes, Arunachal Pradesh.
What was that? What was that? Accordingly? Through the officer in charge of Basar police station.
Yes, your lordship.
Through the officer in charge of Basar police station. Stop. The officer in charge concerned on service of the notice upon Srimati Ibom Nayori shall submit the report to to the registry of this court through the additional, through the,
No, you'll directly, your registry will directly, police will directly communicate the registry, your lordship.
to the registry of this court. Listed again,
After 4 weeks, your lordship.
listed again after 4 weeks.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, deeply obliged, your lordship.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, sole contemnor, my lord, he is Secretary Land Management, my lord, and he has been transferred, my lord.
Implement application not yet filed.
Yes, my lord, I'll file, my lord. That's why, my lord, I may be allowed to, my lord, implement, my lord, incumbent secretary, my lord.
What was the last order? Why it is taking so long for you to implement?
My lord, we recently came to know, my lord.
Mr. So-and-so? The learned counsel for the petitioner is further allowed 3 weeks' time to implement the new incumbent. Listed accordingly.
My lord, can it be 2 weeks, my lord? 2 weeks, my lord.
You yourself, you are taking time for implement. So I'm granting you more time. Okay, 3 weeks.
Obliged.
Lordship, I for the respondent number 2 informant.
Yes, who is for the appellant?
Your lordship, appellant side, perhaps, it's only showing legal aid council, but perhaps the legal aid council has not been appointed yet, your lordship.
Legal aid counsel not yet appointed. Appointed. Correct, 18. Legal
Name-
aid counsel has been appointed.
Name, your lordship, name is not been reflected here in the cause list. Yeah.
Has anyone been appointed? No, no.
Lordship, perhaps not appointed yet, your lordship, because it's only reflecting legal aid council, because since it's a jail appeal. But name has not been mentioned in the cause list also, your lordship.
None appears for the appellant. Stop. This is a jail appeal. Stop. The registry is accordingly directed to appoint a legal aid counsel from the panel of the legal aid counsel. Stop. List the case after 4 weeks.
Yes, sir. Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
None appears for the parties. Listed after 3 weeks. Okay.
Your Honor, service report is still awaited, Your Honor.
Pardon?
Service report are still awaited.
Awaiting service report on respondent number 3 and 4, listed after 2 weeks.
Lordship, matter may be fixed for admission hearing, Your Lordship.
Pardon?
Matter may be listed for admission hearing.
Where is the respondent? What is the matter?
Lordship, this appeal is against the order and judgment passed in WPC 559, Your Lordship, where the single judge has directed to have an effect of deemed acceptance the resignation of the read petitioner from the post of Assistant Mining Development from the date of communication of the resignation, Your Lordship.
Mr. Ensor, the learned government advocate appears for the appealant. None appears for the respondents. Listed after 2 weeks.
For admission hearing, Your Lordship.
Pardon?
For admission hearing.
For admission here.
Okay.
Any interim order?
Interim order is in IA, Your Lordship. Stay order is there, Your Lordship.
Okay.
No.
My lord, we have received the paper book just 2 days back.
You are the counsel for the
Petitioner, I'm for the petitioner.
appellant?
Appellant, yes.
You are Mr. Kambo.
Yes, yes, I'm Kambo.
Has notice affected upon respondent number 2?
Yes, as per record, even he filed Bharatnam also as on behalf of R2.
R2.
Yes. But not seen today.
Mr. So and so. Learned counsel for the appealant submits that.
My lord, my humble request would be kindly fix that may be given for hearing, admission
He
hearing.
has received the paper book only 2 days back. He would therefore like to go to the same and address the court. None appears for the respondent number 2.
My lord, they were here this morning, respondents too.
They are not here.
I have taken the consent
You
from
are
them also.
supposed to
Okay,
speak on their
okay,
behalf.
sir.
Listed on,
4th of September, my lord.
Fourth of?
September 4th.
listed on. 3rd,
My lord, can it, okay, sorry.
listed on 3/9/2024. Correct?
All the year.
Okay. Almost.
May I approve, Lordship? This IF for condonation of delay of 182 days.
Of how many days?
182 days.
182.
182. Yes, my lord. In filing the instant appeal.
You have not filed objection. We allow.
No, I thought I have already filed, but then there are some misjudgments. So I will file. There is the ground for which they are sought is very palincy. There is no reasonable ground.
Why contest the case on merit?
Even yes, on merit also there is nothing.
But at least we hear on merit.
But so
Let the delay may be condoned, whole matter may be heard in the admission.
okay then.
Yes. Yes, ma'am, you are for?
2, 3, and 7.
2, 3, and 7. Two, 3, and 7. And you are standing counsel?
RWD.
Standing counsel?
Yes, RWD. 1, 4, 5, and 6.
1,
4, 5, and 6.
1, 4, 5, and 6. You are the standing counsel, public work.
Rural work.
Public work.
Public work is, she is appearing public work.
Yes.
1, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, okay. So, what is your submission? We allow or you want to file objection?
My lord, the ground for seeking condonation should be some reasonable ground. But ground which the appellant has sought, it is not reasonable.
Where have you stated the grounds?
My lord, paragraph number 3, your lordship may find.
Paragraph number 3.
Yeah, lordship, page 5, paragraph 3. Because my lord, they are staying in a place, remote area, the condition. That's why they have not contacted us. Only 182 days, my lord.
This itself is a misleading statement. This is on the way. Highway.
Yes, you be
Yeah.
gracious enough.
Yes, my lord.
You allow, and then we take up the case on merit.
Okay.
Will it? I think that'll be more proper.
Yes.
Okay. Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the appealant. Stop. The instant application has been filed under Section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963. seeking for continuation of delay of 182 days in filing the connected appeal against the judgment and order dated 11/8/2023 passed by the learned single judge in WPC 198 within bracket AP/2020. Stop. The grounds for the delay has been cited in paragraph 3 of the application. Stop. We have perused the application, more particularly paragraph 3, and we are satisfied that the applicant has been able to satisfactorily explain the delay. The delay of 182 days is accordingly condoned. MS, Mr. So-and-so, Learned Standing Council,
RWD,
Rural
Rural Work Department.
Rural Development,
Yes.
Rural Development Agency,
No, that's a different, Rural Work Department.
Rural Works Department.
Yes. Are these,
Learned Standing Council, Rural Works Department appears for the respondent number 1, 4, 5, and 6, and MS so-and-so, Learned Government Advocate appears for the respondent number 2, 3, and 7. Stop. The application stands disposed.
Apply, sir.
Yes, in the main,
list for.
in a writ appeal,
Writ appeal may be listed for admission, Your Lordship,
in
after 2 weeks.
view of the order passed in IAC 46 within bracket AP/2024. Appeal is admitted to be heard after 2 weeks.
Apply, sir.
Item number 25.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, the leading counsel, Mr. Anshuman Bora, Your Honor, is
This is item 25. Okay.
so sometime may be given, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
Sometime may be given, Your Honor, because I don't have any instruction from Mr. Anshuman Bora also, Your Honor.
Okay.
Here appellant is taking adjournment. I mean,
Your good name, ma'am?
Dioka,
Dioka.
yes.
We grant
maybe.
2 weeks.
Yes, fixed date may be given so that he can afford to come. on
Yes.
that.
When can we fix it, ma'am?
Lordship, I don't have any, I haven't any communications with Mr. Anshuman Bora. That's why, Your Honor, my humble prayers.
Next time we fix, and then if he does not, we dismiss the appeal.
No, Your Lordship, last time, I think the month of, last time he appeared, Your Honor, and he was ready for the argument. It was,
Sufficient date. We give you a sufficient date, we give you 3 weeks, but it will be a fixed,
Yes,
on a fixed date. Okay? Kindly inform your senior,
Yes.
okay? MS D. Yoka, Learned Counsel, makes a mention on behalf of A. Barwa, Senior Advocate and the leading counsel for the appellant, and seeks adjournment of the case for 3 weeks on the ground that she has no instructions from the learned senior counsel. Prayer is allowed, fixing the case on we fix on 24 September.
24 September.
24, 9, 2024. Stop. An endeavor shall be made by the learned counsel for the parties to dispose the case on the next date fixed. Okay.
Here, Your Lordship, as per last direction of this court, LSC to be appointed on behalf of victim. Legal aid counsel. LSC was directed.
In terms of the order dated 31/1/2024 passed by this court. The registry is again directed to appoint legal aid counsel to appear on behalf of the respondent. Okay.
Highly obliged.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship, I am the appellant in this case, Your Lordship. Now, Lordship, this is the case, Your Honor, where, Your Honor, I would like to make a prayer before this Lordship to give me a fixed date, Your Honor, so that the proper hearing of this appeal can be taken before this Lordship. I've already received the paper book. My prayer is that, Your Lordship, may it be fixed on 23 of this month, 23 August. Or let it be on 22, Lordship.
Right then. Before the other one, second. 1 second. Your next week will be tight for us. We listed on 2nd September.
2nd September. Yes, Lordship.
Okay. MS. The Yoko, correct?
Yoka.
Yoka.
Yes.
The learned counsel submits that she is not prepared to argue the case today, and therefore seeks adjournment of the case on 2/9/2024. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay, is it convenient for you, ma'am? 2/9.
On 9th, Your Lordship, I have some medical emergency on 31st.
Okay. Okay, ma'am, on 9.
Because, Lordship, actually, I could have done this matter today itself. Because I have other matters, since I am the special public prosecutor for the CBI also.
Correct.
And the trial is going on, Your Honor, some of the matters, Your Honor. That's why I have taken this 23, Your Honor, because I don't have any trial matter before the session judge. So, Your Honor, it would be nice for me, Your Honor, to give to, if it's not in 2, let it be on 23, Your Honor, Your Lordship.
23 September?
23 of August, Your Lordship.
No, 23 August, Friday, I think it will be.
Because on 9 again, I have a matter, Your Honor. That's why I have to, because the witnesses are coming from the so far, Your Honor.
I know.
They are coming from the
Yes,
Bangalore.
Madam.
2nd September.
Why not then on 3rd?
Yes, 3rd, no issues, Your Lordship.
Okay, on 3rd, okay? On 3rd.
3rd again, I have, Your Lordship, CBI matter, Your Honor.
It's all right. This is equally important in the High Court.
Let's 4, let it be in 4.
What?
4th.
I'm so sorry, Lordship, but even I have a difficulty.
What? 4th September. Okay.
God bless.
4th, we are not supposed to. Yes, ma'am, just wait, just wait. Okay. For the other one, let us leave it here. Let us leave it to the registry. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay. We are listing this on 4th, nah?
Okay.
4th, correct?
Yes, sir.
4th.
Okay.
Okay.
Deeply.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes. This is item.
My lord, in item number 29, appellant, I'm from appellant, my lord. And my lord, here one additional document has filed in I-53, where the condition of the convict reflected, and as per this documents, medical report, which is at page number 20 of my additional documents.
Lordship, we have not been served with the additional affidavit, so.
Well, anyhow, where is your additional affidavit, or for that matter, the additional document? Have you filed additional affidavit?
Yes, ma'am.
Where, which date?
It will be, I think, 6/12/23.
6/12/23.
And one advocate, Adam Tang, also received.
No affidavit. I think this was listed yesterday.
Yes, my lord.
But no affidavit is there. And the office note shows that as directed, no such application has filed in the registry. You have not filed any application. The noting of the registry shows that you have not filed any application.
And then, my lord, I will.
You file,
Oh,
nobody is stopping you
Yes,
to
ma'am.
get treatment. You
Okay.
file your affidavit.
Always.
We list it after a week.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, list it after a week.
Always.
Yes, next. Oh. 29 is the last item.
My lord, this is a tender matter, my lord. My lord, in this case, the lordship will find the tender. We have annexed the SBD, lordship. The tender, lordship, page 33, my lord. This is the NIT which they have floated. This is, my lord, of 5/7/2024. The road is from L027 road from Karima Pau road to Raroman. This is the amount. There is it's a 2340. Work. Now, my lord, I'll just wouldn't take much time. I'll only take the grounds on which the bids have been rejected, lordship. Lordship, I'll take your lordship to page 38, lordship. This is the lordship, your lordship got to page 38, lordship. This is the terms and conditions of the bid, lordship. Lordship may kindly down below the last word, 4.4B, A, and Roman 2, so in small Roman 2. An affidavit that the information furnished with documents correct in all respect. And now below that, down below that, my last line, lordship, B, that small b, 1. Availability for construction work, either own or lease or on hire of the key.
Yes, whether the bid has been opened.
Yes, technical bid has been opened. We are challenging.
Where is that?
Lordship will find that technical opening of technical bid, lordship. This is the grounds which have been rejected, lord. That's why I wanted to point out.
Where's the technical bid? Let us see.
Lordship may kindly, that's a page 117. Annex of 4. Lordship got it. This is of 2nd August 2024. Lordship, on page 118, next page is the final bidding down below, Lordship.
This was open online on
2nd August.
24/7/2024.
The 2nd August 2024. Page 117.
No, but page 118, it says that were open on online on 20
Yes, yes.
24/7.
What happened, Malab? They open on 24, then what they do, they form their committee, Malab, to scrutinize the documents, Malab. Then they have finally, this is the recommendation, Malab, actually. Your Lordship may see bid evaluation report, Malab. They have opened on 24, but this after evaluation, this report, final report is given. So this is the impugn order, Malab, evaluation report. First day the download.
So
Lordship may say.
technical bid open on 24/7/2024.
Yes, yes, yes.
And the report was given
On 2nd August.
made on
2nd August.
2/9/2024.
Yes, Lordship.
By the technical evaluation committee.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, now page 11 is the one. Now, Lordship means.
You are in which serial?
I'm serial number 4.
Serial number 4.
Yes. NT agency.
Okay, non-responsive.
That's why, Lordship, non-responsive.
Correcting clause 4.
Yes. Yes, I was just showing you, Lordship, the clause that they say.
This clause so and so.
Yes.
These are tender conditions.
Yes. For Article 4.B, 4.42.
Then the private respondent number
7. The private respondent 1 and 2, Lordship.
The respondent number 5 and 6.
Yes. Now, Lordship, the violation, they have simply said you have violated that one, madam. Whereas Lordship will see on the next page, 120, madam. I have uploaded everything, Lordship. It starts from page 120, everything as required under this clause 4.4.
Okay.
Now, Lordship, if I, Lordship, take the respondents' bid, because this is online, everybody can see, madam. It's not that they can hide us anything from us, Lordship. Lordship, I'll just take your Lordship from page 233.
Okay, they do not fulfill most of the conditions of the tender documents.
Yes, I have followed. Now there's your Lordship, it starts from page 233.
Have you submitted representation?
Yes, yes.
Let us see.
It's a last annexure, Lordship.
Which annexure?
Page is 265.
Two, 6,
5.
2, 6, 5.
Yes. And 2.
There's 2, 6, 5.
Yes. And 8 to page 2.
Regarding unfair and biased technical evaluation. Okay. Page 265 is your representation.
Yes, dated 7/8/2024.
7/8/2024. 2024.
Yes.
Yes.
And next is
what happens?
Now, Lordship will.
What is this NK next also?
Yes, this is 8. On 8 also we have submitted one.
Representation.
Yes, on
page
8.
267 also.
Yes. Now, your Lordship, the gross irregularities that they have committed, this is not technical, my lord. I'm not even, my lord, bothering Lordship to see the technical aspect. Simple, my lord, a common layman can see the mistake, Lordship. Can you see page 233, Lordship? 233, annexure 6.
233.
Your Lordship got it, bank certificate. Now they have to, my lord, it is a mandatory clause that they have to submit this bank certificate guaranteeing that they will be financing such and such amount, my lord. Now your Lordship may see, changing consider the respondent number 5, Lordship. if the contract work, namely construct a road from Dirang to Jimthung, my lord, whereas the present road is from Karema Pau, my lord,
Okay.
West Kameng district. Now, lordship,
What is this, page 270? What is this? Page 270, what is this?
270, lordship. This is they have kept the opening of financial bid in advance.
So what is the purpose of filing this writ petition?
No, why we are praying this, my lord? The praying that the petitioner should also be allowed to participate in a financial bid. Until then, my lord, financial bid should not be open, my lord. That's what we are praying, my lord.
No, they may take that action even without the intervention of this court.
No, lordship, I will show my why they have not taken it. But I'll just take 2 minutes, lordship. Just if lordship allows, only 2 minutes. Sir. Just lordship may kindly see 235 also, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the affidavit says I have this technical persons I have, my lord. Kindly see page 235.
Yes. What is your case?
My lord, otherwise there is so many allegations. So in order to, whether it's true or not, I need some instruction.
Why have you not impugned this 270?
270.
You were selected, why have you not impugned this? 270?
Scheduled to take 9, hereby postponed until pardon notice. So for that, I need instruction whether
they admit
you should have actually impugned this. You are actually, you have been selected in the technical bit, but this has stopped you.
He is for department, Malad. The
responsible for and five.
KVTers, the KV maybe this Malad.
But you are the main person to actually give some submission on this order. Why this order was issued?
yes, this I have to take instruction.
Yes, and you have not challenged this order. Okay.
They admitted there was discrepancy.
We actually like direct not to go for the financial bid. And in the meantime, we also like hear as to whether you will qualify the technical bid.
My lord, otherwise NG projects is settled.
Yes.
So even if there is some elevated, the petitioner, if they agree by the illegal hosting, they go on the civil suits. There is other alternative.
But here, you yourself, you have actually stayed the opening of the financial bid.
Now, in order to verify their complaint.
So let us see whether actually like it is because of the representation submitted.
Yes, maybe.
Maybe.
This honorable court,
Let me take up day after tomorrow. Let me take
everything, this honorable court has already stated, the similar work, same clause, everything.
If we state a financial bid, where is the question of proceeding with the work? If we state a financial bid, then we will examine whether if, you are technically qualified. Let us examine that. We'll give you 2 weeks.
I'm just apprising because coordinate the
So and so.
Bench has already passed an order, that's why I'm just apprising. Has stayed the opening one.
The larger public interest has to be keep in mind.
Such a gross illegalities, after committing, they say public interest, lordship.
No, the thing what is worrying is that you yourself, you have passed this order. If not in contractual matters.
Yes.
This court, the power of this court is very limited.
Yes.
And if the petitioner has any grievances.
Maybe to scrutiny their representation.
No, they have already scrutinized, my lord.
This order itself is actually what disturbs the mind of the court. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop. The government of Arunachal Pradesh, Office of the Executive Engineer / DPIU, Chayang Tajo Division / District, is coming. Issued the NIT dated 5/7/2024 in electronic tendering system for construction.
Page 33, lordship.
of L027 road from Krimapau to
Road to Raro.
Raru by package number, all capital AR0303268
Yes.
for a total cost of rupees 2536.85 lakhs. The technical evaluation bid was open online on 24/7/2024.
Yes.
And the report thereof was submitted by the Technical Evaluation Committee on 2/8/2024. Stop. In the report dated 2/8/2024, the petitioner was found non-responsive. And the respondent number 5 and 6. 5 and 6?
Yes.
Respondent number 5 and 6 were found responsive. The reason as to why the petitioner was declared non-responsive was in view of was because the petitioner attracted clause 4.4b within bracket, clause b, small b, clause small I, comma, 4.4b within bracket b, within bracket small b, okay, within bracket Roman 2 and 4.71. It is the case of the petitioner that he fulfills all the terms and conditions of the tender documents, of the tender conditions, whereas the respondent number 5 and 6 have not fulfilled the terms and conditions stipulated in the tender documents. The petitioner accordingly has submitted
Page Lordship 265.
the representation dated 7/8/2024
and 267
to the Chief Executive Officer within bracket CEO, ARRDA, Secretary, Rural Works Department within bracket RWD Itanagar, and to the Chief Engineer, PMGSY, within bracket PMGSY, ARRDA, Rural Works Department, within bracket RWD Itanagar. Regarding the unfair and biased technical evaluation done by the Technical Evaluation Committee and the representation dated 8/8/20 and the
24, yes.
dated 8/8/2024
Yes.
on the same line as the earlier representation. Subsequent to the representation submitted by the petitioner, the Government of Arunachal Pradesh Office of the Chief Engineer, ARRBA, RWD Itanagar, has issued the order dated 8/8/2024. Stating therein that the financial bid for projects under Vibrant Village Program within bracket VVP in East Coming District, which was scheduled to take place on 9/8/2024, is postponed until further notice.
Reason is
In the said order, it has also been stated that the postponement is necessary to address the technical issues that have arisen, and the new date for financial bid will be announced in due course. Stop. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable after 4 weeks, 2 weeks. Mr. Your good name, please.
G Tarak.
D Tara.
G.
G Tara.
Yes.
Accepts notice on behalf of the respondent number
1, 2,
1 to
4.
4.
1, 2,
3, 4.
1, 2, 3, and 4,
Yes.
and Mr. So-and-so, Leonard Council accepts notice on behalf of the respondent number
5, private number, respondent
5
number
and
5.
6.
No, 5. Your Honor.
5.
Yes, Your Honor.
Respondent. Since respondent number 1 to 5 are represented and through their learned counsel, no formal notice need be issued. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall, however, serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned counsel for the respondent number 1 to 5
Within course of the day.
in the course of the day. Insofar as respondent number 6 is concerned, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the said respondents by registered post with AD within a period of,
1 day.
within a period of 2 days from today. In the interim, considering the submissions made by the learned counsel for the petitioner and the materials available on record, more particularly the order dated 8/8/2024, issued by the Chief Engineer, Rural Works Department, Itanagar. This court directs that the financial bid of the project under the Vibrant Village Program within bracket VVP in East Coming District shall not be opened till the next returnable date.
Barbel, I have not official Barbel instruction in finance may open today, my lord.
Pardon?
Today they are supposed to
They-
open financial.
They might open
Oh,
today,
yeah.
but
If it is already open, then it will be difficulty.
If not opened.
Yes,
If
if not open today.
if not opened, okay. If it is open, new cause of action.
Yes.
If not opened. Yes, okay.
yes, obliged.
Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.